Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Creator Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful and eye-catching ink flow effect using simple tools. Whether you're a beginner or pro, this tutorial is super easy and fun. So let's get started. First, open your Canva and search for YouTube video. And open blank page. First open text and add a heading. Now, select the one you like or type the name of the person or topic you want to create the video about. Go to Fonts and change the text font. Now duplicate the text and go to Effect and select the hollow. Next go to Elements and search ink. Check the ink elements and add the ones you like. Go to Layers and adjust the ink between the two texts. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy Creator Hub for more creative editing ideas. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.